Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can cancel a subscription through Cash App. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I have a blog open. This is on Zcafe and I'll be using this since Cash App is not available in my region. So I do hope you guys don't mind and I hope you guys forgive me because I won't be able to show you specifically how to do this. But without further ado, let me show you. Now, this is done in 4 easy steps. It is very, very simple and it literally takes only a couple of clicks or taps. So let's get right into it. Now, this does differ between Android and iPhone, however, only in one simple difference, and I'll show you guys exactly what that is right now. So first, all you have to do is open up Cash App and log in, and then for Android users, you need to navigate to subscriptions by tapping the profile icon and selecting Cash Card, and the silhouette for the profile icon is in the top right, whereas for iOS users, it's in the top left, and that is literally the only difference that there is between the two platforms. And once you arrive there in Cash Card, you need to scroll down and tap subscriptions once you're in that section. After that, you're going to have to locate the subscription you want to cancel. You'll see a list of all your subscriptions that you are paying for through Cash App. So you just need to come through it and figure out which subscription you want to cancel. And once you're there, you just need to tap the cancel subscription button next to the subscription you want to stop. And after that, you just need to confirm it through the prompt that pops up. And once you confirm it, that is pretty much it. Now, some of them might have a cancellation period and you might need to wait until the end of the billing cycle. However, once that arrives, you will have canceled your subscription. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.